This is the GLACIER Fresh, and it's the GF XWF Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter. So with this one, you want to make sure that you are getting the correct filter first and foremost. Check that, go back and look. So this filter is to be replaced every 6 months, and I do sign up for these. This is the reminder. So if you text that number, then it'll remind you when you are supposed to replace them, which is really handy if you are like me and you do not remember. They are really simple to use. Push it in, twist, done. Here's what the top looks like, the sides. And before drinking the water, I do like to run a couple gallons through the filter. That's what I've always done. This one says to reduce property damage risk due to water leakage, you must read and follow installation and user instructions before installation of the filter. The filter must be changed at least every 6 months. I feel like ours is more like 5 months. We're a family of 7, so we go through a lot of water. This also says requires attention in those really light words. Do not use with water that is microbiologically unsafe or of unknown quality without adequate disinfection before or after using the system. Use only on public water supplies. And that is about it there. So this is about half a gallon per minute with a working pressure of 30 psi to 100. And the temperature should be between 33 and 100. So there we have that. Really solid, great filter. I usually buy them in like a 3-pack so that I only have to replace them so that I have enough to last me about a 1.5 years. And then when I have one left, that's when I go ahead and order another 3-pack. So there it is. These are good quality filters.